ITMA Connect proudly presents Nonwovens Recycling for a Sustainable Future. Join the webinar to learn more from Andritz about their innovative circular textile to nonwovens approach for the bedding and furniture industries, and how Kimberly-Clark uses alternative polymers to produce more sustainable hygiene and medical products. Premiering on 14th of November 2024, featuring industry leaders. Mr. Alexis Gauthier from Andritz La Roche, Dr. Brian Haynes from Kimberly-Clark Corporation, and moderated by Dr. Behnam Pordehami for the Nonwovens Institute. RSVP now to secure your spot for this groundbreaking discussion.